The front half of the housing contains the battery plate, the voltage conversion circuit, the fixture plate, and the sapphire lens. In order to remove the fixture plate and the battery plate, all you do is unscrew the thumb screw here. Remove that, and you can slide out the fixture plate. You may notice that the serial number for the housing is printed on this half of the housing, and if you have any issues and require service, this serial number will help us track the quality of the assembly of the housing and make sure that all the quality assurance has been documented. This fixture plate is a custom fixture plate, and it features a dual battery plate for the Sony NFP 750 batteries. These batteries are widely available at any photography stores, and they're quite cheap. This particular third-party battery would sell for around $30, and 2 of these batteries are needed in order to achieve about 12 to 8 hours of record time. The first time you receive the housing, you may notice that the cable for the USB-C is held together with a cable tie, and this is to prevent this cable from bouncing around inside the housing during transportation. With the cable tie removed, we're now ready to assemble the GoPro on the fixture plate. The fixture plate has 4 M2 screws that need to go into the GoPro. Before you insert the GoPro on the fixture plate, you have to remove the battery and also the battery compartment cap or cover from the GoPro camera. Once that's done, you can simply insert the GoPro on the fixture plate and screw the 4 M2 screws to help to hold the GoPro on the fixture plate. Before you do that, the ideal cable routing that's required due to the how tight this particular housing is to route the cable underneath this groove here and then insert the camera just like that, so that the cable can come in and the USB-C can be attached as such, just like that. If you can see, the cable is actually coming from back here. It's looping down underneath, going around this way, and then into the camera.